We can start with Starbucks. I will get going. I'm actually very interested in both of these companies as just a general look at the economy. I'd sent you a link just before the show started, and for the first time in a long time, the for the full year, the gross domestic product contracted at 3.5%, and that's the first contraction since like 2009, and the biggest drop since 1946. And kind of not surprising, as you know, everybody was staying indoors, and probably, actually, I know some of the other shows we looked at as people are saving more money lately. So, I think Starbucks and MasterCard are two really good indicators of the economy, and it'll be interesting to see sort of how they both compare. So Starbucks year, the reporting period that they ended up is their year ended like December 27th, 2020. And it's really the story of two regions. Any guesses of what those two regions are, Matt?
Asia.
More specifically, China.
China.
And kind of where they started. The other one is the U.S. And so between the U.S. and China, Starbucks company stores make up 61% of all the stores that they have. But those two regions, those two countries, make up 78% of the revenue. And it's really interesting to see the different dynamics, because the coronavirus, started in China, and they locked down fairly quickly. And then the U.S. got started almost a quarter later with the lockdowns and shutdowns and things. So let's start with the U.S. Revenue of 4.3 billion, down 5% overall. But sequentially, from quarter to quarter, it went up about 10%. Same store sales were down 5%, but last quarter they were down 9%. So we're kind of making incremental improvement here. The most interesting thing for me, and this happened both this quarter and last quarter, transactions are down 21%. So that is, somebody going into the store and making a purchase and getting a receipt. But the value of that receipt went up 19%. That's just amazing to me. And they commented on it, and they said that it's a number of different things, and it's meaningfully higher than pre-pandemic levels, driven by group order. So somebody going out and getting something for the family, combination of increased beverage attach, which I think is related to, hey, if you're going out, can you get me a sandwich anyway? And you're going to Starbucks for the coffee, so I don't want to go to two places. Premium beverage mix, and if somebody else is buying the stuff for you, why don't you get the upside down, frozen latte thing? Increased customization, upsizing, and a high all-time food attachment. So pretty interesting. But China's a completely different story. They were much further removed. So this is the last 3 months, China locked down quickly, and then they opened up pretty quickly. Starbucks actually opened 160 stores and crossed the 4,800 store milestone, and 13% growth in new stores. They entered 15 new cities. Revenue was up 22%, 5% increase in same store sales. And they had a little bit different dynamics with the transactions and ticket count. Transactions were down 3%, and ticket count or ticket value was up 9%. And they were up 12% sequentially. So pretty interesting. The guidance for China in the upcoming quarter is plus 100% same store sales, which, you think about it, is January, February, and March, when China was on pretty much heavy lockdown. So having a double in the store visits and whatnot is not out of the realm. And Their gross operating margin also improved sequentially. What's most interesting to me, Matt, is that they gave some guidance for full year 2021 last quarter, and they reiterated the guidance this quarter. So they feel strongly about global store sales growing for the full year between 18 and 23%, driven by China gross sales of 27 to 32%.